Very nice. So let's come to the activity. I believe every one of you have got your cutouts, right? I will also get my cutouts. So these are three pieces of cutouts that you must have. So I have one rectangular cut like this, one circle like this, okay, and one circle which has a cut on it like this. Every one of you has it. Just show me your thumbs up, and show
So,
me.
so meanwhile, as you are collecting the materials, few of you have written in chat. I would like to mention one more thing. If possible, you can to on your videos, please do that so that we can see. If there is a network issue, you can just write on chat that you are following. Okay.
Okay. Now, another things that you will need apart from this is you will be needing a cellotape, right? You will be needing a pencil, right? And you will also be needing a small scissor. Please be very careful while using the scissor. Do not harm yourself, right? Okay. Now, shall we start? Show me a thumbs up if we shall start. Very good. Very good. So here is a pencil that I'm holding, right? And the strip of paper that we cut out from the page number 5 of our handout, right? I will put this paper on this pencil like this. Everyone can see it. Then I will start rolling it so that I can create a tube out of it, right? Roll it really tightly initially. Now, once you roll it tight enough, it will be, so see this, I have rolled it to mine. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use a sellotape to cover it, okay? To just fix the roll so that it gets permanently attached to it, okay? So here I have a sellotape, right? And I'm just putting it over here at the center of the tube and just making a roll around it so that it doesn't come out, right? Okay. So cut this extra tape out and see, I've made a roll. Now you make sure your roll is easily sliding through this pencil. I believe everyone has made it. Very good. Now, what I'm going to do is, I have this uh, eclipse, this, okay. I have this circle of which has complete circle, and then the small circle, other circle with a cut. So I will put this behind each other so that it perfectly overlaps, right, each other. Just give me a moment. Okay. So just put it like this so that it perfectly overlaps each other, right? Now we are going to do a very careful step that you need to do it very, very carefully, right? What you need to do is, you need to hold this like this, both of them together. On the center of the circle, you can see a dot. Can you see this white dot on the center of the circle? Okay, Mokshi has done it before, done it already. Okay, let others also catch up.
Sir, your video is paused.
My video is paused. It's for everyone, or everyone can see me?
Sir,
Others,
now
can you
it's
see me?
fine.
It had paused. It's okay now.
Okay, now see this. Half of the roll is on this side and the other half is on this side. Understood, everyone? So what I'm going to do, on the back side, I will give,
Sir, please repeat.
okay. So I have used a pencil to put this through, put the roll through it, okay, the roll that we created, and half of the roll is on the back side of the paper and half is on the front side. Can you see it? I can see it. See.
Sir, can you just tell me what has to be done on the rectangle?
After that, I'm telling you to you.
I've
Right? Okay, you have folded it, Adi. Now, Adi, what you need to do is put the pencil with the roll. Okay, the pencil should have the roll inside it, and put the pencil through the paper, right? So that half of the roll is on one side and half of the roll is on the other side, and then slowly take out your pencil, but the roll should be inside it. Okay, understood?
Okay.
Now what I'm going to do is on the back side, I'm going to give 2 cuts so that I can make a flower. I can open it up like a flower. What we are actually doing is we are actually replicating a paper fastener using a paper, right? So that because in the lockdown period, not
Sir,
everyone
how
can
to cut from behind? Can you repeat it?
see. I will show it to you. Can you see? So you give 1 cut like this, okay, and then other cut like this. Understood, everyone? And then you just hold these 2 cuts to 2 parts and fold it so that it opens up like a flower. Can you see this?
Sir, can you explain it once again?
Sure. So you will cut it. You will cut the roll like I'm doing it on the front side, right? So you will cut the roll like this. See, I'm not cutting it right now. Just put your scissors over here. Just press it and cut it. Then put your scissors like this and cut it. Then open it up. When you cut it, it will open up like a flower like this. See? Can you see this? It opens up like a flower. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small piece of tape and stick it on my back side of the, just give me a minute.
Sir, how did you just put this roll inside?
With the pencil, beta, put the roll inside the pencil first. Inside the pencil. First put the roll.
Hole in it. Yeah.
Beta, first put the pencil inside the, put the roll inside the pencil.
Okay.
Put the roll inside the pencil.
One.
Now see, I am just using a tape so that this flower is stuck like this. Okay, so I paste on the flower like this. Can you see the tape? Everyone here? Adi, are you here? Very nice, very nice. I believe everyone else has done it, right? Now, Adi, did you understand?
Sir, I folded this.
Very good. Now what you do is with the sharp end of pencil, make a hole at the center of the both the papers together. Put both the papers together
Okay.
so that the front page, this should be in front. See, this should be in front and this should be at the back. The one with the cut should be in front, right? And then pierce a hole using the pencil at the center and move the pencil inside such that half of the roll comes on the other side and other half is on the first side.
Okay, sir.
Got it, Adi?
Yes, sir.
Now you need to cut it as I told you and then make a flower out of it and then paste the tape to seal it. Now from the front side as well, right? Everyone's look from the front side as well. I'm going to give 2 cuts, right? And just fold it, right? I'm not going to tape it from first side. I will just fold it open, right? Like this. So I'm not going to tape it. You need to make sure your spinner actually spins without the 2 paper getting separated from each other. Understood, everyone? Right. Right. Now you can see you can just spin it and see the first contact, second contact, third contact, totality, everything over here, right? Just spin it and do it yourself. See for me how I'm doing it, right? You can spin it and see other phases, right? Different phases of the eclipse. Now everyone do it. Everyone has made it. Adi, do the cut. Do the cut on both the sides.
Sir, I have pushed it inside and now tape it.
Now first put the cut and open it like a flower, as I told you.
Flour?
Flower, right? Like this flower. Open it like a flower.
Okay.
Like a butterfly. Cut it from two sides and open it like a wings of a butterfly. See, if the roll is like this, you'll give one cut over here and the other cut on the front side, and it will open up like a butterfly. Very good, Mokshi. Everyone show it to me on the screen. Pin it on the screen. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. I can see it's, everyone has done it. That's nice.
Fine.
Yes, yes, yes. Fine, beta. Lovely. Very good. So I believe everyone has done it. Adi, can you catch it up?
Sir, what do we have to do after this?
Just paste from the back. Just paste with a tape from the back. Have you opened from the back as well? Adi,
Oh,
have you
yeah.
opened it up from the back? Yes, open it up from both sides and just paste a tape at the back. From the front side, do not paste a tape. Just paste a tape at the back. Like this, see this? At the back, I have pasted a tape, but at the front side, I've just folded it. I have not pasted any tape, right?
Okay, sir.
Are we done, everyone? Shall we get back to the presentation?
Like this.
Very good. Just paste a tape over there at the back. Okay. So everyone done. Let's get back to the presentation. I believe everyone enjoyed the activity. So everyone can see me. Can you see I made two squares over here? Everyone can see this, two squares. These are 3 centimeter
Sir,
into.
can you repeat everything again?
You have the box, serial box that was told to you to bring.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Very
I'm
nice.
okay.
Very nice, very nice. Whatever box you have, just make sure you follow the similar procedures, right? Now, in the box, whatever kind of box you have, right? Kunal sir will show you a sample of the serial box as well. I have a different kind of box. You just need a cardboard box, which should actually obstruct the light from everywhere else and allow lights to enter from where we cut, right? So you can see these two, these two squares, right? Both of you can, all of you can see these two squares, right? Very good, Moshi. Very good, right? You can make these those two squares 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter wide. Now I will use a scissor to cut these two squares out, right? I will use a scissor and cut these out, right? Will open up my box a bit so that I can easily cut it. You can also open it up and let us seal it with a tape, right?
Sir, I can't see the squares over here.
Can't see my square that I made.
Sir, I didn't understand.
See this?
Yeah.
Who did not understand?
Sir, I
Adi?
was.
Why?
Okay, Adi, see this. Show me your box. Show me your box, everyone.
I think this is better.
Very good. So this all the boxes are good to go, right? Now see the box. My box is a bit smaller than yours, but you know this. Kunal sir will show you a box which is similar to yours. See how he has cut the hole. So this is the.
I'm just spotlighting him.
Yes, spotlight Kunal sir. Aryan. So.
So there you can see those who have similar kind of boxes. This is a kind of final output that you are going to get once you cut it. Okay. So from the smaller side, sir has cut it only on the one side. Okay. The other side is closed, like sir is showing. On one side, we have cut towards the corners. Okay. So I hope this gives you clarity on what to do.
Sir, I am not understanding it.
Who is asking?
For sure.
Shubh. Shubh, can you show me your box?
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
let me just-
Is this okay?
Show me a bit higher. Yes, this would do, Shubh. Just open it from one side, the flap side. Open it from the flap side. There will be a flap to open, right? Here, over here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Open the flap.
This side has.
Open the
Open
flap.
the flap.
So
Just
open.
get the cuts on the flap itself, right? Suppose this is your flap, right? Suppose this is your flap. Just give it the cut on the flap itself, right? These two cuts.
Okay, sir.
And then close it. Okay?
So we need to cut the flap over here.
I was giving it specifically for Shubh because Shubh has a flap kind of box.
Oh,
So depends on the box you have. You just need to make sure you make two holes. See this how I have made it. You just need to make two holes as such that the two holes are at certain distance. They should not be very close to each other, right? They should be at certain distance. Understood, everyone?
certain distance.
Yeah, so I can see Mokshi is showing. She's
Very
correct.
good.
Adi, have you
Mokshi
got
has done
it?
Very good.
No, sir. I don't understand how to make the holes.
So Adi, you just need to make two square cuts on both the sides. Okay,
Adi, show me your box.
just show one of the sides.
I took this one.
Very good. Now open the flap from the front side.
I need to open this.
Yes. Show me the other side. Is it open from the other side? Yes, yes. So just what you do, just cut out the flaps and cover it in between. Just cut out all the flaps on the side that you see and just paste it in between. Just paste one flap in between like this so that it gets obstructed from center, right? So again, you will have two holes from the center.
Sir, do we have to cut from both sides?
Yes, yes. So you have to make two holes, right? Like
Okay.
this. Two holes like this.
Is this correct?
Yes, Vedita, that is correct.
Yes, Vidita, you've done it right.
Is correct?
And
Lovely.
by two side, whoever asked previously, by two side we mean on the same smaller side you have to cut towards the edges. Okay, do
Yes.
not cut on the other side.
Two
as well.
sides of the same face. Two sides of the same face of the box, right? Just look at my
Right.
box, right? Your holes should look like this. You can even look at Kunal sir's box. How he has made them. So depending on what kind of box you have, you can make your respective cuts. Very good. Adi, now what you do, just cut the extra flap, that one as well.
I think he told someone else.
Right. Now from the center, Adi, just paste one of the flap. Using the tape at the center, paste the flap like this.
Okay, sir. I'll do that.
Okay. Now one of the
I
flap
hope you all have understood.
paste it over here.
नहीं सारे काटूंगी फिर दूसरे चिपका दूंगी.
Very good. Did you all understand? Are we on to it? I believe Tanay has made the cut. Very good, Tanay.
Sir, I've cut all.
Very good. Now paste it at the center. One of the flap, paste it at the center. Cover it from the center. Show me, show me.
Small.
No, no, no. The other one, the bigger one.
This is
So just put it like this. Put it like this. Yes, yes. Now cover it in between. Again, you need to use 2-3 flaps to cover it. Yes, use two flaps to cover it from center.
Do we have to paste from where we have cut from the center?
No, no, do not. It's not for you. I'm just telling this for Adi. Okay, yeah, Jia? This is just for Adi. Yes. Paste 2-3. Yes, yes, this will do. This will do, Adi. Right?
Paste it.
Just paste it.
Sir, is this okay?
Yes, yes, Akshita. Okay. Very good.
Sir?
Everyone remember one thing, right? Your foil paper should be bigger than the hole that you have made, right? One of the hole I am going to cover, not both, but one of the hole I am going to cover with the foil paper, right? And
I think some of them have cut off the whole flap.
Yes.
Like Dia seems to have done that.
Yeah, don't worry, paste it. Paste that flap over it. You're doing it right.
Jia, show it to me.
Yes.
No, she has the foil paper. She has the foil paper.
No, that's
So
not.
we are talking about Dia, I guess. Gia has done it correctly.
Yeah,
So
done.
Dia, you have cut the flap entirely, right? So you have to do the same thing that Adi is doing. You have to cover from the center areas, and both the sides we will have that hollow structure. Okay.
Dia, show me your box. Show me your box.
I'll just put in spotlight so that you can check.
Very good.
Yeah,
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
What we have to do with the flap which we have to cover? I did not understood that.
Just let me. Who is this? Arush?
So there is
Aryan sir, can you see which student is actually having a problem?
Darashjot.
Sir, what do we have to do after this?
Okay.
So, what we have to do from the next side, we have to open.
Do you all have these two cuts?
Yes, sir.
This works fine.
Who's this Kaviki, right? You just cover from the other side. Just put a tape so that it does not open from the other side.
Okay, sir.
Fix it with a tape so from the other side it doesn't open up. I'm not talking about these holes. These holes we will cover later. I'm talking about the other side. If it is open, you can cover. Like my box is opening from here. So I will just put a tape to cover it so that no light enters other than these two holes. Yes.
So we have to cover this also.
Which please show it to me.
Sir, this.
So Tanay, yes, Tanay, you have to cover there.
The other side should be covered. Then only the image of sun would be formed on it. Right?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. I have already made the pinhole.
Sir, is this fine?
Isha,
Sir, my
Isha?
holes are here, so this should be covered.
Excuse me, sir.
from the
Sir,
side.
should
No
this
issues,
be
Isha.
covered?
Sir, is this fine?
So we will try to repeat this step once again, everyone, so that you have better clarity. And so I request everyone to be on mute and hear properly this time, okay? Yes, Abhinav sir, go ahead.
Okay, so everyone, you had this box which was, one longer side and one smaller side, right? Now, what you needed to do was you needed to make cuts on one side. Now, some of your boxes might have opened up from here, right? From here, right? Anywhere. So if your flaps are open and you have made a cut on the flap, that's okay, right? But if the flaps are open from the opposite side, you've made a cut over here and the flaps are open from the opposite side, what you need to do, you need to use a tape to seal it, right? So that the light does not enter from here. You need to understand the concept of this activity. The light should not enter from any other place in the box apart from these two holes. Then only you will be able to create a solar box projector. Otherwise, it won't be successful. So you need to make sure that the light does not enter from any other place apart from these two holes. And that is the only basic thing. Other thing that we are using, the concept that we are using is that we are using the longer side for viewing, because if we get a longer side, we will get ample space for the image of sun to be formed. If I use the shorter side, right, if I would have made the cuts here and I would have made the image of sun over here, so the image would get a smaller distance to travel. So I want to make the cuts on the over here so that image can be made at somewhat longer distance. So image can be in this way we will make a sharper image. We will get a crisper, sharper image. Understood, everyone?
Sir, is this fine?
Yes, very good, Dia. The
You
other
all
side
can show towards the camera once so that we have clarity that you have been following.
very good. So one side should be, just make sure that the light should only enter the box from these two holes and no other places, right? Very good. Yeah. So shall we move on to the next step? So next step is we all have.
Abhinav sir,
Yes.
Abhinav sir, can you just check Tanaz if it is going to work? I'm
Excuse
just
me, sir, is
spotlighting.
this okay?
Tana, can you please show it to me?
Yeah. Can you see it now?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Shubh, I can see yours.
I think you made the holes on the wrong side, I believe.
Where is Tanay?
Sir, I have put him in spotlight. Just go to the speaker view. I put it in spotlight.
Okay. No, I am in speaker view.
You have to make it from the top.
It is on the top.
No, on the top.
Tanay, can you see there is a place where written Fruit Magic?
Tanay, you have made, you have made the, the holes on this side. Suppose I have made the hole here, right? You can see me? Tanay, you can see me? I have made the hole here. But what you have done, you have made the holes here. This is not we are doing because image would not be able to form in this short distance. It need to travel longer. So you need to make the holes here so that the image can be formed here, right? Do not make the holes here, right? Make it here.
So
Understood, Tanay?
just giving him a solution, Tanay, you can just cover it with any of the flaps that you cut. The holes that you have made, you can cover it
Yes,
with the
use
flaps that you
sellotape.
cut.
Sir, is this okay? Sir, I've made this. Sir, is this
Adi, can you put one more there? Just one more so that it covers longer area there.
okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, is this okay?
Yeah, I've watched everyone's. I found just Tanay had the
I
problem.
am
Otherwise,
sure.
everyone has done it correctly. Yeah,
Okay,
Shubh,
that-
that is correct.
Yes, sir.
Shubh is correct.
Excuse me,
And I
sir.
have put an paper over here. Is this okay? So that the light.
Yes, yes, it's okay. It's perfectly fine.
Oh, no.
Okay.
So I guess
So let's go
we should
ahead.
go with the next
So
step.
as I told you, we have to take a foil paper which is slightly larger than the holes. Like my hole is 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. So what I'll do, I have taken a a foil paper which is 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter, and I'm just putting it over here, right, like this, and sealing one of the holes, not both, but just one of the holes, right? And I will seal it using a tape, right?
Sir, can we use another thing except a foil paper?
Beta, you can use a black chart sheet as well, but foil paper gives you a very crisp image, right? Foil paper gives you a very crisp image because the hole pierced through in a foil paper is very, very crisp, right? So you can use a black chart paper as well, but I would recommend to use a foil paper, right? Okay, so I will take this foil paper, put it on one of my hole, right? And seal the hole using a tape. Now see, I have this small tape, right, that I've already cut. I will put this foil on my hole, one of the hole, and then paste the tape like this, okay?
So I guess Adi has a query. He has been raising his hand. Let us know.
Sir, is this fine?
Adi, you have put one flap over there. Can you put one more so that both the sides are a little less open?
Yes,
Like this?
Adi, no, join both the flaps. Join it. There should be no opening at the center. Adi, join. Put it
Actually,
together.
they're small when I.
No. Put it vertically itself as you have put the first one, but put it both together. There should not be a whole difference in between.
Okay.
Put it both together. Show it to me once. Show it to me once. Right. So tape it and make sure there is no distance in between. Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes. Very good, Risha. Okay. Now I'm.
Is it
See,
okay, sir?
I've used one tape.
It is okay.
Is it?
Yeah, that is fine.
Yes, Vidita. That's fine. That's actually good. Okay. Okay, I will take another piece of tape, and just so that it's sealed from all the sides, right? Just make sure that it's sealed all the sides. Okay. Okay, and then I have 2 more sides to seal.
So Abhinav sir, can you just show it a little towards the camera so that they all follow?
So see, I've sealed the foil on 2 sides, and I'm going to show
Like, oh.
the 3rd side, and then I will seal the 4th side again with a tape, right?
So I can see many of you have already finished it. Good. Those who are showing it towards the screen, like Mokshi, Ahana. Who else has done it? Prisha has done it. Good.
Yeah, has done it.
Wow, good. I can see
So
many now.
see,
Yeah.
my one of the hole is completely covered with the foil and one is open. Now we are going to do the most careful step that we need to take care of, right? So in this step, what we are going to do, we are going to pierce a hole in the, right? Pierce a hole in this, you know, in this box projector, right? So where we are going to put the hole? We are going to put the hole in the aluminum foil. And to put the hole in the aluminum foil, you need to keep your hand really steady, right? You have a thumb pin or a safety pin or something like that, right? So just make sure your hands are stable. That you need to understand, the smaller the hole is, the better the picture of the sun would be. Understood, everyone? So what we are going to do, I will take this pin, slowly keep it on the foil. Do not pierce it through. Just slowly keep it on the foil at the center of the foil. And then what I'm going to do is, I am going to just touch it over there and just put a very small pressure, so that just this much. Can you see my hole? It should actually be so small that it cannot be spotted, but still, can you see my hole? Very nice, Mokshi.
So is this okay?
Yes,
Yes, we can see.
Very nice.
So Dia,
Beta,
Ahana,
please use your safety
Pranash.
pins and your thumb pins very carefully. Do not harm yourself, right? Do not harm yourself. Do not pinch it on in your finger or something.
Sir, is it okay?
Very good.
Yes, yes.
Now the hole should be made in the center of the foil. Center of the-
Shubhashini, that is good.
Where is it?
Can you see, Jia?
So from where we have cut it also.
No. Only from one side, right? Only from one side. Do not put it on the other side, right? This side will be used to see, right? So how should we? Everyone has done it.
So I have done it like,
Is it okay?
Very good, very good.
sir, I have done it like this. So we have to do it in the middle of the black chart paper, or
Yes,
in
yes,
the
middle of the black chart paper,
Is it okay?
okay, sir.
right? If you have used the black chart paper, others who have used the foil, put it in the middle of the foil.
Sir, is it okay?
Yes, yes. Okay, now see this. How I'm going to use it? First of all,
Sir, it is shifted a little sideways.
beta, if the hole is bigger, make it replace the foil paper after the class and make another hole. The hole is very important in this box projector, right? The hole is the only thing through which the image of the sun would be formed. So if you have any problem in the hole, after the class, what you do, you take out the foil paper, put another foil paper, pierce a proper hole, and then use it. Understood, everyone? Show me a thumbs up. Very good. Now what we are going to do, are we going to look at the sun like this? Right or wrong? Tell me. Are we looking at the sun like this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So first of all, as Adi, tell me.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Peter.
Sir, we
Yes.
have to put the hole from where we have cut out the square or at the center.
No. Where you have cut out the square. Sorry. Not the center of the foil, but the center of the cutout. center of the hole. That's why I told you to only use a foil which is slightly bigger than the hole, right? Now put it at
Sir, is this fine?
yes, it's correct.
Okay.
Okay, Adi, did you want to say something?
Yes, sir. So I had this doubt. Is this fine?
Yes, just paste it properly. Paste it properly, Adi. Use a tape, use a bigger tape and paste it properly. Is there someone to help you, Adi, over there?
Sir, I'll do it.
So I have not made it on the empty space.
Not an issue. Do it. Do it. Go ahead and do it, Adi. Okay. So listen, everyone. Aryan sir, you can just be with Adi. Okay. I'm just going ahead. Okay. So we are not going to see it like this. First of all, the first step that you need to take care before you use this SolarView goggles is you need to make sure that no light apart from this hole and this hole. Other than this, no light should enter. If you find by looking at a tube light, do not look at the sun directly. Okay, looking at a tube light or bulb inside your room. If you find there's a light somewhere coming from somewhere, just use a black tape or a black chart paper to cover it. The lesser the light goes inside this box projector, the better image of sun you would see. Another very important thing is you're not going to look at the sun with the projector like this. No, this is not what you're going to do. What you're going to do is you're going to look at your shadow which the sun is casting, right? So what happens when you look at your shadow, if the sun is over here, from here, the sunlight comes like this, it enters in the pinhole over here, right? And the image is formed on this wall of the box and you can see it from here. Understood, everyone? I will go to the projection screen, the presentation screen to make you understand this as well.